Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this series of creating a Shopify store from scratch, we have previously covered a couple of topics including themes, collections, blogs, pages and navigations, right? Which are very basic functionalities of a Shopify store. Today we shall see how to customize a theme and add a multi-column in your theme, right? So let's get started. Now if you see, right, we are at the admin panel and on online store, right? And the theme we have selected for now is Dawn. Okay, so let's go and see how our Shopify store looks like as of now, right? This is a very simple Shopify store. This is how it's looking now, right? Now let's go and customize the theme. Okay, one question might come to your mind: why should we customize a theme? So yes, we need to customize a theme if you want something on your store which is not available in the theme you have selected. And that's the reason Shopify has plenty of paid themes as well, right? However, if you want to use free theme, or for that matter any paid theme as well, right, which doesn't provide any functionalities which you want on your store, you're free to customize your theme. Let's say you have to add few more menu items here, right, which is not coming by default with your themes, right? You're free to do so. Similarly, we have plenty of options, right? Header, then this banner, this image banner, we have footer section. All the sections we can customize as we want, right? But today we are focusing on multi-column, right? So let's go and add a multi-column. Okay, let's add this after our collection. Okay, first column, let's select push-up stand. Okay, then description. Okay, this is push-up stand. Let's add some description, right? Okay, then our next column is, let's select maybe a sweatshirt. Okay, then let's just add some description of sweatshirt. Okay, perfect. Then third column is t-shirt. Okay, okay, then there is a button, right? So if someone clicks on that button, where should it redirect and what should be the label? Let's name it as learn more. Okay, and it should redirect to our product page. Okay, all products. Okay, and we can name it maybe our best selling. Okay, our best selling products. Okay, now if you save this, let's refresh the page. This is how it will look, and if you click on learn more, it will redirect to products page, right? Okay, let's go to home page, and this is our multi-column, right? Okay, so that's all about the multi-column. Stay tuned as we'll bring up more videos on themes customization. Thank you very much. Goodbye.